Okay, hello everybody. I wanted to do a quick little video to introduce our Firefighter Decon kits. Each engine will have a 5-gallon bucket with a removable screw top lid. In the bucket will contain some Tyvek suits. In the event you need to completely declothe yourself and you don't have anything to change into, you can maintain some modesty there. Also, Hygenol Tox Off, the new product that we have and we're going to carry. It helps us remove metals and hydrocarbons from us and our equipment. There'll be a squirt bottle of that in there. We also have some wipes, simple wipes, and the way you use those is like we've talked about before, how you can wipe off your face and the nape of your neck, behind your ears, and all the stuff that's exposed when we're exposed in a structure fire or any fire, vehicle fire, trash fire for that matter. Also is a yellow brush that you can use with soap and water. If you fill this bucket up with some soap and water to grossly decon your gear. If you don't want to bring any heavy debris back with us to the station, we can leave it all there at the scene. And then there are some chem gloves as well to use if you don't want to use latex gloves, if you're actually doing that to one of your partners. So as I said, the bucket can be used for filling up with water. When it's all done, you could rinse it out and then put everything back inside. This product called Surface Decon Cleaner that lives in here. There'll be extra ones at the station to replace. This is what we will fill them up out of. Each 5-gallon bucket will have a little pump apparatus that goes on it that you'll have at your stations, and that's how you'll top off your bottles as you use the products. Each station is also going to have a bag of 100 of these individual wipes. I recommend everybody has a couple of them on their person. Probably a good place for your little pack on your web gear for vegetation fire type stuff. If you're out and about, you can clean up. Maybe if you're going to have a meal on the line or something like that, these would be good for that. We also are going to have at the stations these hand scrubs. It's a good hand scrub to kind of everyday cleaning and it's full spectrum from plastics, dirt, drug residues, metal, soot. It's a good product. And this product has been vetted through efficacy testing through NIOSH as well. And so it's a good product. Lots of agencies are starting to use it. And I think it's going to be good for us as our Firefighter Decon kit. You'll see these larger pails we're going to have on the ambulances. They're on back order, so I only got 2. The 991 and 993 will get them for now. There's a lot more wipes in here for obvious reasons. They have a higher interval of calls. And we can go to the ambulances and use these wipes if we need to as well. And I'm working on getting for the DLS as well as 992 as well. That about wraps it up. There'll be a policy that'll come out soon, policy 909. It's called post-fire decontamination. It'll spell out kind of the process and what we want to do to help protect ourselves from cancer-causing stuff when we get exposed by it. And then we'll also, tied to this policy, will be some best practices on how to use, some of these products that I've attached for us to read up on now. But it's pretty self-explanatory. I think we all know how to clean ourselves, and that's about it. If you have any questions, you can direct those to me, and we will go from there. Thank you very much.